Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. Good morning. We're back again. 2 streams in one day. Let's see if we can catch some more pips. We had a good start to London session. Real good London session. Real good London session. Let me just sort out the chat real quick. Give me 1 second. Alright, that's that. Let's copy that. Boom. How's everyone doing? Everyone had a good break? Good break from London? Look, pound yen finally fell. Finally fell. Update. Shit. Let's get back to it. Alright. So I'm going to start from the top with GJ. The daily's currently bearish. I anticipated pound yen was going to push back up. Obviously, I was very wrong. And that would have been after CPI, which missed. It came out 3.8% instead of 3.9%. So inflation is still high. Nothing really going on with pound yen, apart from just pulling back into this rangy area. 4 hour. So the 4 hour closed bearish. See, we broke the low. I was looking for a retest of this 4 hour support and then maybe a bounce up from here, but maybe price will come down to 199.4 instead. This the 4 hour support below, and then push back up. So that's what I'm looking for. Just want to see how price reacts to 4 hour levels, basically. So let's just put this here. And the 30 minute, so it tapped into this previous support here. I don't really like having too many lines on my chart, but since we've broken this low, I'm gonna leave I'm gonna leave both of these 4 hour supports, because if the current 4 hour candle closes above, then we're respecting this level, and I'm still, like I said, anticipating a push back up. So I did have a resistance here. All right. Cool. Looks like pound yen wants to come back up, to be fair. Maybe we get a retest and then push back down, but like I said, I haven't really tested the 4 hour strategy on GJ. I have not, I must confess. All right, so gold is bullish on the daily, broken the low. So we were already in sales during London session. Caught some really nice sales. Caught a little 30 pips. Four hour obviously, well, the previous 4 hours was bearish. Was anticipating you know, holding above 36.78, 36.79, but yeah, we just smashed right through. Now, we don't have FOMC until later on tonight. Yeehaw, hello. Benny, welcome back. So I'm looking for retest now. This is the level I was looking at. So these three levels, sorry. Either a retest of 36.55. So we broke above that, come back, retest. A retest of 36.33. Or 36, like early 20s down here. Yeah, but I think we stay in the 3600s. It seems to me that the gold buyers FOMC has been priced in. Seems like it's been priced in, and we're gonna pull back, you know, buy the rumor, sell the news, which we've been doing. Get a bit of light in here. Got lights on magnets. Why does that not look straight? Is what it is. That's a bit brighter. In here. Ambiance. Yeah, that's a bit of light. That's good. Alright, so yeah, that's gold. So we're still bearish. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of think we range until FOMC now, because that's gonna be the news of the day, isn't it? That's gonna have gold moving. Had a bit of movement during London session. We are gonna get movement in NY, but probably towards, like I said, after news. Alright, so for those that weren't here, the London session trade was pretty textbook. We have the support here. Very strong bearish price action, you know, with all of these bearish candles. This candle closed below with some volume. We took an entry, break of this low. Price pushed down. How far down did it push? Price pushed 40 pips. We actually closed partials at 30. Price came up. Obviously it closed partials, stop loss to break even. As you can see, price came back up, stopped me out. Next candle pushed up, no bottom wick, and then continued to fill the wick, break the low, and then continue down. Usual story with closing partials. Price hits entry and then carries on running. But I mean, original stop loss was the previous candle high up here. Previous candle high right here. But then after this candle closed, I was looking to move. If I hadn't closed any partials, I would have still moved my stop loss to the entry candle high if it had closed bearish. So either way, this candle, the next candle, 8 o'clock, probably would have stopped me out. So I'm kind of happy I closed partials and secured something. Rosie managed to close 50 pips because she, you know, doesn't close partials. It was a nice move. Real nice move, real nice move. What's GJ doing? You know what? This is why I do split screen, because I like to look at. Oh, lovely, 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 lovely. Take this off. Bum. There we go. I want to keep an eye on pound yen and closing back above this 4-hour support here. Because look, we've got another wick here, quite strong support. So let's see. You know, you've tapped in, pushed up. So we'll circle back in 1 hour and 10. See if we can feel this range come back up. Wouldn't put it past GJ. And let's do the same thing for gold. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Zoned out there for a sec. Just looking at the candles and thinking of trade ideas and asking questions like, is this pullback, has this pullback finished? Are we going to continue up from here? I mean, look at this engulfing. If this resistance wasn't here and I had this massive engulfing, I probably would have been looking at buys on this candle. Because gold to me is still bullish. You know, primarily we're bullish. Yeah, GJ, looking good, looking good. So I was saying this morning that I thought pound yen would sell, and then we get the buys up. So I was actually looking for news to come down to at least a 4-hour support a bit earlier on during London session, and then we get the buys up. But it seems like it had to come a little bit lower first and then push. Mint tea, all good. Said 40 pips sells. Throw GJ in the bin. Don't do GJ like that. I like this. I like this symbol right here. I like it. Yeah, man. More pips. More pips. More pips today. More pips. I have a feeling gold's just gonna range, you know. Still early though, still early. Let me not call it just yet. But it's created a tight little range. Is everyone trading FOMC today? Who's trading FOMC? Who's trading it? Who's trading it? Who's watching it? Rosie, what's up, girl? Just watching. Cool. I'm anticipating a chilled session, I can't lie. Pound yen closing back in the range. Maybe a bounce, continue up. love this. GJ retest, it's 4-hour level. Next candle wick down, continue through the range, and then just continue pushing up. See what pound yen does. New hour. So we broke the low and the high. This is quite a strong bullish push back up. It's just so slow moving. Alright, so we got the retest. Got the retest. Let's see if GJ pushes up through this range. I like this trade idea, but only thing I don't like is trading against the higher time frame. So the daily's bearish, the 4 hours bearish. That's my only thing. But if price pushes up and it closes above 199 or 200, 199.98, or if it just closes back in the 200s where it hasn't been able to do all day, then I would look to take buys further up. Just clean range to the left. Ooh. GJ's pushing. See if it can take it back to the top of the range. GJ. The GJ buys look good, but I prefer a closure above 199.8. Fake out. Oh, yeah, we did have a support here. But either way, I think just closing back above this 4 hour support and then flipping bullish. It looks like we're respecting the support, and obviously now, I mean, should have taken into consideration these this 4 hour candle flipping bullish, to be fair. But just to be on the safe side, I want to clear this range. I just want to clear it. But it looks like we're getting a higher low on the 4 hour. Gold looking good to retrace or to continue bullish. Needed a strong pullback. Came from the 3700s. So look, GJB tested this broken support. It's more recent, I guess, than down here. Let's see what it does. But if we stay above 197.7, I think we'll continue up some more. Look at gold. Gold's still going. Looks like a head and shoulders pattern on a 30-minute. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Inverted. Alright, you know what? Let's check out some indices while we're here, because they're bound to move today. Let's try a little something. So US 30. It's ranging. Yo, let's get pipping. Love it, love it, love it, love it. US 30 looks like it wants to continue down. Well, the interest rates are going to drop. I'm anticipating the market push up, back up, to be fair. Man, Ash caught some gold sales this morning. Got stopped out. The runner hit break even, and then it just went. Got in on this candle right here. Got in on this beautiful candle. Waited for it to come up. It retested this support. Came back down. Broke this low. Took the sells here. Rode it down. Closed partials. Runner got stopped out. 8 AM wicked up. Retested the support again. And then just boom. Came right back. 70 pips, 77 pips in just this candle, and then continued to drop. That was yeah, that was rough. That was rough this morning. Could have been a nice 120 pips to start the day. But I'll take what the market gives me, you know. Live to see another day. Live to see another day. Survived until NY session, you know. Still here. Didn't blow my account. Going full margin. I did expect it to retrace some of this drop. Not all of the way. This push up. I was expecting a retracement. Would love a retest of 36.55. Right. But it looks like we might be pushing up from here. We'll see how this 4-hour candle closes, you know. It was a nice trade though. Yeah. You know what? I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining. If I take a trade and I end the trade green, it's a good day. I thought 36.55 was coming like an hour ago. Me too. Once I saw this little pullback and I thought, okay, we need this because it's just been straight down. Created some more structure, support, pushed up. We got a resistance, you know, the candle started to trend bearish. We dropped, filled the wick. I thought, all right, next candle, 12 o'clock, we're just gonna keep falling. But no. Nope. Now we got pound yen, give us a little fake out. I actually streamed this morning for pound CPI and ended up taking a gold trade. Instead. I ain't mad at it. But the gold sells. It was too tempting not to take it. Way too tempting not to take it. Of course I was gonna take it. Of course. What are your thoughts on gold today, Ash? I'm really in two minds. I think I've been waiting so long for this interest rate, so long for the rates to come around, that I've been saying as soon as they drop the rates, gold is gonna push. But gold has been pushing. It's been pushing. And is it coincidence that it's tapped 3,700 right before news and then sold? Buy the rumor, sell the news. I start getting into my conspiracies. Like, you know, everyone is expecting gold to push. Are the market makers gonna let everyone make a bunch of money when that happens? I think they should. I think they should do the right thing and let everyone make a load of money on some gold buys. But that might be asking too much. Might be asking too much. Yes, they should, right, Benny? They should. Let us eat, right? We gotta eat too. They should definitely let us eat. It's the right thing to do. Sorry, guys. GJ's about to fill this range. Gold been pushing. It might touch that 3700 again. I want to see how the 4-hour close. Wonder if it can give a good bull candle. You know, gold loves to retrace the daily flip to the daily flip during NY session. I'm here for it. I'm here for all of that. I'm here for all of that. I think we needed some structure anyway, some clean structure, some clean candles, because looking at the 4-hour, obviously it's here, but I don't want to make that bigger. I could just drag that. Anyway, I feel like we needed some structure. We've had all of these weak resistances. We're having a pullback, which is necessary, and then we get a support, and that support, from that support, we get some more buys on the next candle, and we keep pushing up. But we have a lot of time until that news. We have quite a bit of time. So it's at what, 7 o'clock my time? So we've got 5 hours and 40 minutes. A lot can happen in that time. Oh, I hopped in some buys at 36, 61, 65. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. I hope it goes up for you. So much time before news. So like 100 pips up already. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I think gold at least retraces this drop. At least, that's the minimum. Me too. I want my money before the news. I don't know if I want any parts of FOMC. Yeah, it's a bit shaky. I'm definitely a bit shaky with FOMC this time. Normally I'm super confident in what I want to see, but now I'm really leaning into that buy the rumor, sell the news, because of how bullish gold has been. You know? I would be out before news 2. That 3700 move was crazy. I said, wow, gold just ready to get comfy. Anyway, listen. I was streaming this. Well, I took the buys from here. So yesterday we looked for the retest. We looked for the retest of 36.86. That was perfect. Price came down and then it pushed back up. So as the 4-hour candle flipped bullish, we took some buys. Anticipating price would get to 3700. I closed right on 36.98. I closed at 90 pips. I moved my stop loss to 90 pips and then I got out of the trade. And then this candle opened, it pushed up, tapped into this area, and then just dropped. So glad I got out of my trade, because I think if price had closed above this resistance, I probably would have tried to hold for a bit longer and then got slapped. Yeah, but I'm very cautious of psychological levels with gold. Very cautious, especially when we're tapping into it for the first time. I mean, I get it. I see people just closing or taking profits at these psychological levels. Why would they put? They're not going to put. If you're a big buyer, big institutional buyer, you're not going to say, "All right, I'm going to get out at 36.98.5." You're going to have your orders at 3700. You know? But I like this little inverse head and shoulders thing we have going on gold right now. Can't lie. Imagine I drew this out that will get a retest and then push up through the range, and I didn't take this. What did I do? I drew this. I said I want price to come down, tap, and then buy through the range. I'm just sitting here, watch it do exactly that. That's funny. I like the idea of gold buys soon. I like that pound yen has closed back in this range that we had set out earlier during London session. So we had the support here and we've closed back above. Oh yeah, GJ is gonna keep pushing. Jeez. GJ was the play. In fact, gold was definitely the play, this push up. This engulfing was nice. It was nice. But the stop loss would have been too big for me to get in all the way up here. And how big was that stop loss? 84 pips? Nah, we can do better than that. We can do better than that. Alright, gold. Come on, GJ. Back to the top of the range. If we get that closure above, so we keep pushing up here. Now we do have a minor resistance to the left, but I think with volume, we continue because we haven't closed above this area in, I think we counted it this morning, it was about 14 hours, I think we said. About 14 hours pound yen has been ranging in this price area right here. Alright, we're just playing the waiting game here. I actually do like these gold buys, you know. 47 pips, but the risk to reward is not it. Right, if I use the most recent level, how big is this range? 54, 64. Nah, still not even a 1-to-1. Still not a 1-to-1. Alright, I'm just keep an eye on gold. Forget pound yen, because I ain't taking no pound yen trades until I see price back in the 200s. But gold, I don't have the entry that I want, so I'm not gonna. Yeah, because I don't have the exact entry I want. I'm not gonna force anything with gold. Oh, cha-ching. Alright, got 100 people in here. I need some more likes. Need you guys to get the likes up for me. Gold should at least move in Asian range. When's Asian range? Where's that at now? Okay, yeah, at least, right? Push up some more, get a little retest at least. I think the minimum gold is going to go is 36.77. At least come back up to this broken support. What the hell is that about? What's that? Thank you, thank you. Nice, get them likes up. Wow. Wild. All right, gold. Push. Crazy. Man, these buys up were nice. Well done, Ash. Well done, well done.
You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump.
I'm gonna tell Naza that burger and lobster's on you today.
Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
I've been in the bias for a while now. I was a little drawdown at first. Oh, you took the higher entry. You probably took this entry up here, innit? And then yeah, stacked. Well, she got it. She got you. She's about to close 200 pips. Go Pippin. Go Pippin is Pippin today. What do you mean? That is a hot mouse dress. What are you talking about? Yo, I haven't been to, that used to be my celebration thing. Remember when I used to have a really good month? When I had a good month, I'd go burger and lobster by myself, and I'd order a lobster, fries, and a mojito. That used to be like a deal. I used to get that every time. Every time. I haven't been in a minute. Last month was quiet. But this month I'm doing it for sure. This month I'm going. Without fail. Good month or not, I'm going. Just to treat myself. But on stream, I think the stream record this month is, we've had 5 wins, 1 loss. So I'm very happy with that. I'm very happy with that number. Very happy with that. Good month or not? Yeah, man. Yeah. It's been a minute. I don't want to say I haven't been treating myself because I've been out. I've had a good summer. Can't say I haven't had a good summer. So that's kind of been my treat. But I like to treat myself with food, not alcohol. It's not the same. You don't feel great after a night out. Got some good food. Yes, yes, yes. All right, golds. This is beautiful. This is a really nice push, man. Really nice push. Oh, you've been pipping outside. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I've been outside this summer for sure. For sure. Summertime. You have to. It's when all the events are on. The rooftop parties. The day raves. I do day raves more than night stuff, but yeah, it's been great. It's been great. It's been great. I really want gold to touch the prior 4-hour candle high. I mean, I doubt it happens on this candle, but probably the next one. Oh wait, we still have 15 minutes left. 12 minutes. Could do. We could do. It's not a crazy stretch. It's not a crazy stretch. 100 pips. Gold could do 100 pips if it wanted to. Gold could definitely do that. Yeah, gold could definitely do that. Oh, we're moving though, we're moving. Man, look at this candle. This is, now I'm feeling a bit of FOMO, man. This is straight up. This is a beautiful, beautiful trade. It's a beautiful candle. Nice clean price action, clean to the left. But I'm gonna get rid of this. Look, just keep pushing. Might as well, just keep going all the way up. Feel the whole range. Do, 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 do. Go on, gold. Last 10 minutes, give us that push. I don't like that it's... Look. This is a bit... Alright, that's no longer valid because we've broken above. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, bright. What a beautiful candle. Oh. When you're in a trade and you see, like if I was in buys and I saw a candle like this, I would just be, I'm not gonna lie. They say you shouldn't be emotional, but this is a really happy candle for some buys. Oh look, GJ doing this thing too. Last 10 minutes. You know GJ likes to push right at the end. Come on. 6 minutes. If we can close above. I'm not gonna miss the GJ trade. If it closes above, I'm looking for the, wait, that's the wrong one. I want the pullback, the retest, and then I'm in the buyers up here. Trust me. But this is a really nice support formed on a 4-hour candle for gold right now. So I can see the new 4-hour candle just creating a bottom wick. Unfortunately, there's nowhere, I'm gonna say there's nowhere to retest, because we could either retest this broken support or this old support here and then keep coming up. I wouldn't want to retest all the way down. Maybe Asian lows again, come back down and come up. But I keep thinking to myself, if everyone is anticipating buys for FOMC, we're not going to be taking buys from the highest point on gold right now. We're going to be taking buys from a lower point, a lower price. We're not buying the highs. Cool, GJ didn't even make it up there. Flipping out. I'll give up on pound yen today. read it up here. Do you remember when they cut rates for the first time in years last September? It skyrocketed, hit psychological level, pulled back like 400, 500 pips. Then Asian session reacted to news and pushed it back up. Yes. Yes. But that was the first time. That was the first time. That was nuts. But to be honest, whatever happens today, I'm ready for it in Asian session as well. I'm ready for Asian session as well. So if I don't catch a move during this FOMC, which I'm not bothered if I do, because I'm anticipating the type of reaction, but I'm not sure what gold is going to do. I'm not like confident in a specific move. But if I want to see how the day ends, and then Asian session I'll make a move, because it's going to be a big move and it's going to create a nice big range, and I'm here for that. I'm here for that. Oh, that's what it's talking about. Oh, that's not bad. Come on, gold. Just give me that closure above. Let me get a little retest. If I don't trade FOMC, I'll look at Asian session. Facts, right? Asian session needs a piece of this move as well. Asian session needs a piece of this move. Alright, gold. Let me get these. Let me get these out of the way right here. Damn, just straight up, no bottom wick. Should give us a bottom wick at least. New 4-hour candle. So I want gold to tap 36.77. Just create a decent bottom wick, and then as it's flipping back up, get into some buys. I'm anticipating volume. You just push past this resistance to the left and just keep going. Alright, there's the retest. There's the retest. Letting the 4-hour create its bottom wick, and I'll use the 4-hour low as a stop loss. So the furthest I want gold to pull down is this. Is the Asian lows. It's like nearly 50 pips. What was I doing just now? Oh yeah, let me close that. Come on, Goldie. Come on, gold. Flip. Alright, it's only been 4 minutes, so I need to just relax. Be patient. This is more based on the 4-hour time frame. This current candle flipping, re-breaking the high, and then filling this range. Oof, don't like this. It's not too bad actually. Let's see, Asian range I said 74. So yeah, 74.15 is Asian lows. Oof. Okay, yep. Removing this buy stop. That is a big drop down. Not feeling that. Deleted. Because the stop loss is just going to be too big for the flip that I'm looking for. Nah. Really, I didn't want it to push down way more than this support. But I'm going to remove that. That's a serious bottom wick it's just created. $67 pips. Okay. What's happening, Lek? $60 pips stop loss. It's not crazy. What time is it? It must be late for where you are now. We'll see you tomorrow, yeah? It's very serious. Yeah, not feeling it. Not feeling this pullback. It's not bad because it is a 4-hour bottom wick. So it's not too bad, to be fair. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it here. I think maybe I'm not gonna stream for FOMC, but if anything I'll be in the Discord, you know, to drop some reactions in it, like wow, oh my god, what a move. That's what it's gonna be. But maybe in the Asian session for some trade ideas, or post FOMC what I'm looking for or something like that. I think that'll be the plan for Yeehaw. I will see you later. Back again tomorrow. Alright guys, peace out. Echo, Ash, I'm sure we'll talk in a bit anyway, because you're gonna go do that thing in the city with the thing. Alright guys, peace out. Peace and love. Be safe in these markets, man. Gold likes to drop 60 pips in